Welcome back to this video. Today we're going to talk about 5 best ways to make money online. So what you will learn today, you will learn that freelancing your existing skill is your best bet, and affiliate marketing starting from ground zero, starting an online class production, and teaching online one-to-one, and sell your video online. These are the 5 online business that you can start today. Now for freelancing, if you have the right skill and do it right for freelancing, you can actually make a full-time income through this. And you can use websites like Fiverr, Guru, Upwork.com to gauge your market value, and also look into how much are people charging based on their expertise. Next is affiliate marketing. Now for affiliate marketing, you can always start with Amazon Associate, sign up for a free account, and look into what are products that you would personally use and promote it onto your website or social media. And right now Amazon is actually paying a 4% commission, also on Audible and Amazon Prime, certain percentage for you to promote their products. I would say that for Amazon Associate, you can use it just to help you kickstart to learn about affiliate marketing. For learning how to market your products is usually the same step taken. You can actually start with some YouTube videos and to take action by sharing the products that you will personally use. One thing is about affiliate marketing is that there are certain programs or certain subscription which come with a free trial. So free trial is the best to attract someone to sign up to test out the system before they pay money. It is also a good way for you to get pay per sign up. Next is small online class production. So you can create small classes like 5 to 10 minutes and delivering one point that a student can take away, and in a way you can practice selling your online course. And to make a full-fledged course, turn it into a full-time income, you should look into selling your courses on teachable.com. You can also do online teaching one-on-one, where if you have a certain skill and you have people that are asking you, can you teach me this, can you teach me that? Come up with your course detail, offer your course to people, and test out the different pricing point and see how much people are willing to pay you to teach them online through Skype, especially now when online teaching and coaching is the norm. Now list your service on Guru or Upwork or even on Facebook group, or you can ask a few friends to test out with you. Next is to sell your video online. So do you have any videos that you shoot for fun or for travel, or some of the videos that you shoot in the past which you own 100% rights to? Now there's a site for you, Newsflare. Newsflare is basically a curation site whereby they collect a lot of video creators' video. You can upload it there and they will actually sell the video for you. So in any case, if your video gets sold, you will be paid X amount of money by the platform. And I'll leave the link below. If you want to sign up, you can sign up through my affiliate link and you link you directly to the site for sign up. So in summary, there are abundant ways for you to generate some pocket money online if you were to try it out and you will persist on for 3 to 6 months. Only the top 1% make 6 figures to 7 figures per year online. And this is a fact. It's the same even for the offline industry. Anyone that is the top, they belong to the top 1%. So explore one way that I mentioned which makes sense to you and take into consideration the time, energy and difficulties when producing the content. If you need any one-on-one coaching, check out the link below and we can get into a 10 to 15 minutes talk and see if I could help you with your online venture. I hope that this video is useful to you. Do like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.